welcome back to another video. My camera is very high up because this is a huge box. So I have finally got my hands on a SXC Polygel kit. It's huge, and this is an all-in-one kit for starters or professional. Now, I won this kit at Christmas time from a YouTube channel called Beauty Bee Nails. And after a lot of delays and a lot of confusion, I finally got my hands on some SXC Polygel. Right, so it's got one box. Oh, it's got a lamp. It's got a lamp. I can't get it out. Right, we'll have a look at the lamp in a minute. Right, so let's see what's in this box. I can't fit it under my camera, it's huge. Right, so this really is an all-in-one starter kit if it's got a lamp with it. Right, so we've got your Polygel nail kit instruction manual, which I always like to see. So we've got nude, jelly pink, rose pink, white, light pink and clear. And we've got a brush, which I'm assuming... Oh, I like that. Oval number 6. Yeah, it's a brush on that end. Oh, it's a nice size brush as well. I like that. I do like that. And it's a picker tool on that end. Oh, these are 30mm tubes as well. So they're not the little shitty 15mm that you get. These are the big ones. And it's got the ingredients on the back. Brilliant. Loving it already. Ooh, we've got glitter. Right, so we've got a 100-180 file, and it's branded as well. I like that. We've got paper forms. These are the good stiff ones as well. Lovely. And we've got jewel forms, and I can see already they've got the big ones that fit my thumb, because I always struggle to get jewel forms that fit my thumb. These are the ones, let me show you. Right, these are the jewel forms that have got the little lip on the end. My favourite jewel forms, I love them. And yeah, these fit my thumb. They are huge. Brilliant, love it. I'm really happy with them jewel forms. Really happy with them jewel forms. Out of all the jewel forms it could have come with, these are the best. Right, so we've got them. So we've got a top coat and a base coat. Glass bottles, and they're 8mm. Brilliant. And look at all this glitter. Let's get it out and have a look. Right, so we've got this one. It's like an iridescent white. That is beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. And then this one's holographic, like a silver. And then there's this one's got... That's kind of holographic. It's got a pink tone to it. And that one's very similar, but that one's got a blue tone to it. And then we've got these ones, which is a gold, and that's like a purple. These kind of glitters as well, depending on what colour base you put them on, you get all different effects. They're beautiful. Oh, we'll have to try some of them. Right, so this is the lamp. So it's a Sun 9S UV LED nail lamp. Rechargeable power supply, easy to carry. Oh, it's rechargeable. Cool. What does it say on the back? Open design, manicure feet, more convenient. Right, so it's a 24 watt. Right, so we're going to use this. We'll put this to the test as well. Let's have a look. Oh, this is branded. I like it. I'm liking this little kit. I really am. Right, so it's got an EU plug. I'm going to have to use my, what do you call it? And the reason this has got an EU plug is because these are not, SXC are not available on UK Amazon yet. So I would imagine that's why I've ended up with this, because they don't make them for the UK. But I have been told they are in the middle of getting them onto UK Amazon. I think with COVID and everything, everything's been slowed right down. So I think that's why I've ended up with this plug, but it's not a problem. I have got my own plug that I can use. So let's have a look at this lamp. Right, so just so you can see that I am using this lamp, I've got a little socket there that I can use to plug this in. Right, so I've got it on. So you press it once for 30 seconds, and then you press it twice for 60 seconds, and then a third time it turns it off. And it's got a sensor. Brilliant. So it goes on and off when you put your hands in and out. Love that. Right, love it. So I'm going to start with, I'm not going to do them in any particular order. I'm going to start with this, which is nude. So yeah, they're 30mm. I'm going to start with the base coat. Give these a quick base coat just so I can try it. And see how it cures in this lamp. I'm just going to swatch the inside of the tips because it's just a lot easier and you use a lot less of the polygel as well. So I'm just going to give these a base coat and then we'll swatch the colours. Right, so again we're going to start with the nude. I've got some alcohol in my dapping dish. Again, I will probably just do 1 or 2 colours with you and speed the rest up. I don't want it to be a long video. Right, I'm going to use my own brush only because I've got so many brushes open. I don't want to wreck it, it's so pretty. I'll probably save that brush for when I'm doing a design. But yeah, I'm going to use my own brush. So let's get started. Right, it's quite cold in my house. That's come out quite nice actually. It doesn't feel like a very stiff one anyway. But again, like the base coat, it's not stiff, it's not soft, it's just right. Let me bring you down a bit for this now. I think I've been a bit tight there, haven't I? I'm not used to using stiletto swatch sticks. But I've started using them because I just think they look better. Yeah, so this is like a very sheer, pale nude colour. It's very nice to work with. It's easy to move about, very smooth. There's no bubbles in it. I like it. I do, I like it. I'm not too sure about these swatch sticks for polygel. It's a bit awkward actually. But yeah, that's gone on really nice. I really like it. Easy to use and move about. Right, so that is the nude. It's a really sheer, well no, it's not that sheer. I really like that. That's going to be perfect for a nail bed colour. Perfect. Right, so let's see if this cures in the lamp. I'm going to stick it in for 60 seconds. Right, so next we're going to do the jelly pink. Right, so let's see what this jelly pink's like. Yeah, it's very easy to squeeze out the tubes, but it's not too soft. Oh, that's a nice colour. It's like a baby gel, like a baby pink, but jelly. This is cool. I can tell you now, I've got so many pink polygels, but I haven't got one this colour. I like this. It is a jelly, exactly what it says on the tin. Jelly pink. I really like it. That's a really cool colour. And again, it's super smooth. No bubbles. I love it. Look at that. Such a pretty colour. Oh, cool. Right, I'm going to speed the rest of these up because I don't want the video to be very long. But I will show you what each colour is as I'm doing it. Right guys, that's them all swatched. I'm just going to get the tacky layer off all these because I want to give them a quick top coat. Obviously I want to try the top coat. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. I think a lot of you know my favourite polygel of all time is Cheap as Chips from AliExpress, and it's called Mowbray. I've tried Model Ones, Yoyogi, Saviland. Ugh, so many polygels. And I always go back to my Mowbray. I love it. But I think I might have found my new favourite polygel. These are so nice to use. So nice. Super smooth. Not a single bubble. They're not hard and stiff. They're not soft. They're not sticky. I want to find something bad, but I can't. Right, let's try this top coat. Like, look at that. What's this one? Light pink. Look at the colour of that. It's beautiful. Super smooth and creamy. I love it. Look how smooth that is. Not a single bubble in sight. Look at that. Right, let's get these top coated. So impressed. So impressed. This top coat feels nice as well. I like these brushes. The brushes are quite small on this top and base coat. Yeah, it's a nice top coat. Right, I'll do all these off camera and then we can have a good look at them. Look how smooth that is. I've got some dust in it. Right guys, that's them all done. I've given all the backs of them a top coat. Just wanted to see what that top coat was like. Look how smooth and creamy that polygel is. Not a single bubble in sight. I'm so impressed. It's super smooth and creamy. Very easy to work with. Might have found my new favourite polygel, guys. I love it. I really like these two pinks. These are my favourite. These two, definitely. I didn't have time to use the glitters, but I want to do a full set on my own nails, I think, next time. My nails are ready to be done using this polygel. So I'll probably use the glitters when I do a full set. And I might even crack open the Fancy Pants brush. But yeah, I'm impressed. The lamp cured them all in 60 seconds. Nice. So yeah, I'm really impressed. I really like it. As I said at the beginning of the video, they're not on UK Amazon yet. Fingers crossed they'll be on there soon. But if I can, I'll leave the link to the US Amazon. And I'll leave the link to SXC anyway. If you want to go over and have a nosy at all the different polygel kits they've got. They've got some really fun kits actually. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.